I'm Chuck Pippin from iKon Boats, and in this video, I'll show you how to easily install iKon Boats' custom lightweight boat cover. This cover features an industry-first APS anti-puddling pole system, perfectly aligned fuel cap access, easy to manage built-in ratchet strap system, zippered access to the cockpit and console area, and an expandable pocket when you're running a 2-graph system on the console. The boat featured in this video has a total of 5 12-inch graphs installed, including extra sonar attachments mounted on the trolling motor. With all this, you can see this one cover is capable of protecting your new iKon bass boat, however you decide to rig it. You'll want to begin by placing the cover on the front deck, just behind the trolling motor. Once you spread the cover across the front deck of the boat, you'll want to enter the boat from the bow and pull the cover over your trolling motor and electronics so that the front of the cover is over the nose of the boat. As you begin to roll the cover towards the back of the boat, you'll want to position the forward APS pole in an upright position. Notice that the pole is already attached to the underside of the cover. The bottom of the APS pole has a base plate that keeps it in an upright position. Now you'll want to continue rolling the cover towards the back of the boat. When you reach the back of the cockpit, you'll come to your rear APS pole. This pole will be positioned on the lid of the storage compartment that's located between the driver and the passenger seats. Once the rear APS pole is positioned, you can finish rolling the cover across the back deck of the boat. After the cover is fully spread across the deck of the boat, you'll want to make sure the edges of the cover are fitted below the rub rail all the way around the boat. Now you can begin to secure your cover. First, you'll need to hook the straps on each side of your jack plate. Next, buckle the front straps together under the front end of the hull. Last couple steps, we're almost done. Our cover is equipped with integrated ratchet straps to securely tighten your cover under the rub rail. Once those are both tight, your cover install is complete and you're ready to go.